Bonjour! Today I will show you how to make marinated mushrooms. They're so delicious. My oldest son, could put them in everywhere, like on ice cream. That's a new kind of ice cream. Delicious. You can add to anything savory, really anything savory. It just had this depth of flavor, just a few. And then that makes a difference in the world. Of course, it goes on my pizza because that's really the signature on top of the pizza. But let's start. When you buy the mushrooms, don't wash them in using water. Use a microfiber cloth, and it's damped, like, just a little wet, and then, clean them off like this. And then I will measure. I need to have 120 grams. And of course, because I do it with gram, you can decide how much you want to have. There we go. And then I will just cut this one. There we are. So, okay, we cut it in half, and then you simply slice. I suggest that you slice using your knife because really you want them to be like, it's like a quarter of an inch thick. If they're too thin, it doesn't work. If they're too thick, it doesn't work. They really have to be a quarter of an inch, which is, what is that? Maybe half, I don't know what a quarter of an inch is. Transfer that into centimeters if you like, but that's what it should be. And then simply like this, like this. And as you saw, when I push, I just flip my knife, and then I can push with the back of my knife. Please, please do not, use the part of your knife that actually is the sharp. Because you're dulling, you're making your knife dull. Plus, it makes an awful sound. Okay, so here we are. So now we can put all of these in here. Okay, and the next step is we take our blender jar, and then we use olive oil, 22 grams. And then we use tamari wheat-free, 25 grams. $47. And then we add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. And, of course, you know me, my Norris musk powder, sea musk powder. Always, always. We need those minerals in our body. So my sea moss as well. And we put the lid on. And we blend. And there you go, just to make sure it's blend together. It doesn't have to go for long. And then we pour it over the mushrooms. And now you mix it well so they're all covered in that wonderful mixture. There we go. All covered. And then I put them in a Pyrex dish. And I use my dehydrator, of course. You might be using your oven. So my dehydrator is about 6 hours. Always depends what the weather is like. I'll show you what it is to look like in the end, so you understand what the result, the end result is. But the key also is to put them into a dish that is like I have. So you see there is maybe one layer of mushroom, one and a bit. Don't put them in a dip dish like this one. Don't do that. It has to be exposed, like more like spread out. Don't put them on a baking sheet because the mushroom, as they dehydrate, the water will come out. So don't do that. It has to be in a dish like this, okay? I'll show you the next step in 6 hours from now. Hello, bonsoir. So now we are at the last step and they're ready. And as you can see, well, you can see that they have changed color. They have reduced in size a little bit. And then the sauce that they were in, the marinade, has also thickened a little bit. So they're ready now. I will put just a few here in that little dish. And then you might see, there you go, might see better what it's like. So they still have kept their shape. And that's why it's important to cut them a certain thickness. And also, it's important to cut them a certain thickness because they are absolutely delicious on a biscuit. This is a garlic biscuit. I will teach you that as well. This is something that you'll have in your recipe collection when you get the condiment. So when you buy the condiment, you have the many sauces like this, but also you have this dill nut cheese that, oh my gosh, was so loved by my customers. And then you have the marinated mushroom. Look at this. So, you know, it makes a beautiful presentation. You can put a little bit of parsley as well on top. It's gorgeous and delicious. Let me have a taste. It's divine. Such a beautiful combination. It also is delicious. I mean, our pizza, the pizza we used to make at my cafe, my pizza, the signature was really those mushrooms on top. That's what makes the pizza just out of this world. You can add it to your burger. You can add it to your pasta. You do an Alfredo sauce, and then you have a pasta, and then you can add the mushrooms in it. It's delicious, 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 delicious. You must try that. Bon appétit.